impression was shock. There's a dedication that really amounts to a bunch of people all working for the same goal. With Johnny Puff, I think I just think the fact that they have me out there living in the weird, out there living in a trailer somewhere, that's probably a prediction of my future. The superpower that I wish I had, disappear.